We're doing a fromage fort. That's from my father many years ago. Once every couple of months, I go through the refrigerators and I look at the cheese. Look at that cheese here. It's all molded, but I clean up the cheese a little bit. If it's molded, I put that in the food processor.
Nice.
First, we're going to put some garlic, like 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. So all your leftovers, maybe we can
all your
pulse
bits
this
of
a little
cheese.
bit.
Sure.
With all the cheese, some is stuffed. Yeah. So this is a piece of brie, So I leave the crust on that is perfectly fine. Put the crust on this.
Yeah, the
this.
soft rinds on brie are delicious.
Yeah, on this one here. So you use your cheese this way. Some of it is soft like that mozzarella, so
Nice.
it gives you some creaminess.
I got it.
Yes. A piece of blue cheese. And of course in this, you need a little bit of wine.
And you need a little wine.
Yeah.
A little pepper.
Yeah,
Yeah. I'll just pulse the pepper.
Yeah, that's about it.
That's good.
And this is delicious this way, but you can also take it and put it on toast and put it in the oven so it glazes the top. It's a different taste. I mean, actually, I like it just like this,